Good hygiene with braces is the key to a sparkly, clean, and straight smile. It's important to brush after every meal and after every snack. Carry a travel kit so you can brush on the go at school or work. When brushing, pay particular attention to cleaning all four sides of each bracket, as well as along the gum line. The sides of the brackets can be easily accessed with the aid of an interdental brush. A Waterpik can be used to quickly pressure wash away debris, but should only be used in addition to proper brushing and flossing, not as a replacement. In order to floss your teeth, you need to get the floss under the wire. Floss threaders have a stiff tip that can help you maneuver between brackets. Then you can floss your teeth like normal. Make sure to wrap the floss around each tooth in a C shape and clean under the gums. The goal for food is to avoid anything hard, crunchy, chewy, or sticky. Chewing on chips, nuts, pens, ice, and hard bread can break brackets and bend wires. Cut larger foods like apples or corn into bite-sized pieces and chew with your back teeth. Also, remove meat from the bone from chicken and ribs before eating. As your teeth straighten, you may experience broken brackets, loose wires, or general discomfort. These situations can be fixed with a few simple tricks. To cover areas of discomfort, dry the area, then place dental wax over the offending bracket or wire end. Wax can also be used to stabilize a broken or loose bracket. If a wire pops out of one of the back brackets, you can attempt to replace it with some tweezers. You can also use a pair of nail clippers to cut long or broken wires. If you have any concerns during treatment, please contact the office. Congratulations on taking the first step to a beautiful smile.